Video 10, Managing Response, Building Views and Dashboards, and Additional Resources. Hello and welcome to the final video of the Qwiklabs-Courses Fundamentals course. Last time, we built a simple playbook containing two Mandiant threat intelligence widgets. Today, we will display this information. Here we have the playbook, but we don't have a view associated with it. Now, all that's left to do here is to create a view. We can do this from the Add View button, and you can choose to create a view. We need to select the roles our view will be shown to, and we can then choose to add all our predefined widgets. These are customizable HTML and JavaScript widgets that already come baked into our integration, so we can simply drag and drop these widgets into our user experience. Let's add a couple more widgets. The Graph widget to see our new relationship to the threat actor, as well as the Insights widget. If you remember, one of our widgets created an insight, so that would be useful to render. With that, let's click Save, and we have our playbook. Now we can go back to the case. Since that case was created before this and had no playbook, let's attach this new playbook to it and see what happens. We can do this by adding the plus button and navigating to the block or playbook we want. Now we can see how the playbook executes, and it will refresh once it's complete. Then when you navigate to the Overview tab, you will see the new UI we built, powered by the enrichments in our playbook. First, you see our IOC enrichment that determined this is connected to the Sandworm team. Then we can see information pulled from Mandiant TI about the Sandworm team threat actor that we can expand and review. Our Insights block contains more details and research, and very nicely, our graph now contains an association with the Sandworm team. We have now built a playbook that automatically will give our analyst insight about malware associated with threat actors, enriched with state-of-the-art intelligence. To summarize, we can install any of the 300+ integrations from the marketplace, and they bring a number of out-of-the-box actions and widgets that can be chained together in playbooks. A playbook has a great visual experience to build the logic and chain the actions together. It renders a friendly experience, and we did all of that without writing a single line of code. In more advanced courses, you will learn how to further customize this to meet any need. Lastly, we want to discuss a few important topics as you continue your exploration with the Qwiklabs-Courses platform. First, it's important to note that SOAR keeps track of important metrics that showcase the workload and efficiency of your SOC. You can explore sample dashboards in this section. A dashboard holds a maximum of 12 widgets. These can display data in various forms, such as pie charts, horizontal or vertical bars, tables, ROI charts, etc., for any specified SOC environment or case occurrence time. Dashboards can be exported, saved as a report template, or shared with others. This is a default dashboard visible to all users with dashboard permissions, so share doesn't apply. In advanced videos, we will walk through how to build your own dashboards and reports, but let's go through some of the sample metrics that can inspire you in that process. Here you can see the SOC status including cases, alerts, and potential incidents that are being investigated. Analyst workloads can help our SOC managers determine if certain analysts are under or overutilized at a glance. Additional widgets give us distributions based on alert types, source products, as well as priorities. Here you can see alert reduction percentage, a very important metric for our SOAR engineers who apply various methods to auto-closing and grouping to help reduce analysts' workload. At the bottom, you see a number of other widgets, including case handling times. These dashboards can be customized to render any piece of case information relevant, Reports are another place where we can automate the regular reporting we do to management and customize metrics that we want to report on a regular cadence. This comes with a number of helpful built-in reports. We can generate our C-level report by clicking the Generate button. This gives us options of whether we want this exported in PDF or Word and what timeline to cover. Now we can just download this report and send it to our executives, who will get the metrics that have been gathered just by operating in this interface. Our fundamentals course is coming to an end, and we've covered a lot of ground to get you the foundational understanding of the SecOps platform. Before we finish, we want to mention a few other resources that you can access. First, make sure to bookmark the Chronicle documentation under cloud.google.com/chronicle/docs. Next, in the Google Cloud community, under googlecloudcommunity.com, you can register and navigate to the Google Cloud Security community, where you will see a lot of activity, content, announcements, and a place to collaborate with other Chronicle users. We recommend following this community to stay tuned. Another great resource is the blog, specifically the New to Chronicle blog series that provides a new user to the system with a helpful guide, providing detailed instructions on how to approach Chronicle from a fresh perspective. Last but not least, stay tuned for our next Advanced Chronicle course, where we will dive deeper into more technical areas.